Today we are going to check that the presence of starch inside the flour. So that for this experiment we require a small amount of water which I have taken inside the test tube and one empty test tube and some iodine solution, the spatula and a one dropper and small amount of flour I have. Because I want to check that the presence of starch inside this one, so that's why. So firstly, the step number one, that we should take our test tube. With the help of this spatula, just add a small amount of flour inside this one, like that. You can see here I have used a one sample of the flour. So I will just dissolve this flour inside the water. In this test tube I have taken a water. So just add this like that. Just shake it well so that the flour it will be dissolved inside that water. Okay. So just shake it well by pressing that the thumb over this one on the mouth of this test tube. Okay. Just shake it well and mix it. Now the step, just we are going to add the iodine solution inside this. So just I am going to open. You can see on this side iodine solution which is mentioned over there. Iodine solution which is mentioned over there. Iodine solution which is present over there. So with the help of the dropper, I will add the 2-3 drops of iodine solution. So let's see what kind of observation we are observing here. Can anybody tell me that which color will be observed there?
Sir, black or blue?
Yes, that's one by one, but a drop by drop we are adding only 2 drops that are sufficient for this.
Sir, black.
So that 2 drops
Black.
are
Blue.
just 2 drops that I have added here, and just by pressing it with the help of thumb, then just shake it well. So mix it. You can see the texture upside in the test tube, that you can see the blue color which is visible, the dark blue color which is visible. It means that this shows that the sample which we have taken as a flour, it will have the starch color. If the color is not changing, if its color is remain same, it means we can say that the food sample which we have taken, that is not having a starch. But here I have taken flour which have the starch, so that's why the color has been changed. Upside also you can see the blue texture, the blue color which is visible over there. Can you see everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is the presence of starch. That's all. What is the result? What is the observation? We observe that if starch is present, blue-black color will be formed. If starch is not present, blue-black color will not be formed. Okay, that's it all about our today's activity.